Guys, I am so in the mood for pom pom earrings. They're so cute and easy to make. I'm gonna go grab the materials and let's get started. I bring the yarn in between these two fingers, leaving a tail. Then I'm gonna wrap it around my two fingers just like this. Is good enough. It's about a thickness of 0.5. Here. Now you're going to take it up just so it lands there. And now I'm going to cut off a length this much. And now I'm going to bring it in this little gap here. So if it's giving you trouble, just push it up more. You want it to be super tight. Hold it down in the center and create another knot just so you can secure it in place. And now I'm just gonna clip off. So now here I'm going to take the scissor and clip it. See how it looks? Now we're going to trim it off, and I recommend to grab a container, a plastic container, or a piece of paper, so when you clip it off you can throw it out. Voila. Cute and soft. We've just made a pom pom. Now let's turn it into an earring. And stylish they are, made at home, and they're so easy to make. So I showed you guys the hand method, and with the hand method you can use 3 fingers, 4 fingers. The amount of fingers that you use determines the size of your pom pom. But there's also another method where people like to use templates, and so I've added the link to a template that I've made, and you can download the PDF to have that template with you. There's also pom pom makers, and you can definitely buy them, but buy it if you see yourself making them frequently. If you think that you're just gonna make some for your friends, family, and yourself, only a few, then homemade methods are excellent. I have written the materials right in the description. If you see materials that you see yourself that you may not have, like the cutter tools, definitely ask your family or friends that you think may have some. If not, and you come up with a method of attaching the chain and the pom-pom together without the cutters, please share in the comments, because everyone as well as myself will love to learn how you did it. I am so happy with these pom-poms. Once you know how to make pom-poms, you can make, of course, these earrings, rugs, home decor, keychains, anything you desire. Enjoy making your pom-pom earrings, and we will see each other next time. Subscribe to the channel now. Follow me on Instagram also to watch my story where you'll see me wearing these beauties that you can make as well. Write in the comments what you'd like to see make next.